Hello people and welcome back to DashCam, a channel where you can find all the craziest and most epic moments ever caught on Dreivers dashcam. We got all sorts of crazy encounters from the roads, and this episode is definitely not going to disappoint you. With that being said, all that's left for us is to sit back and enjoy the show. This could have had a very much worse outcome.
This guy's a cowboy, one of the last real men. He's untamed, a Mustang.
Over 400 acres to ride on. Sunday.
And in Utah, if you vote that same ballot, the thing you would be voting on is
Pay close attention at the semi-truck driver next to the camera here. His road positioning is poor to say the least. He didn't bother checking his mirrors and look for the camera who was right next to him.
To take a guess. This is why I don't speed, man. Speeding tickets is one of the least of the problems. Getting into an accident with another car, going into the ditch, getting hurt. NANI?!
I'm not a truck driver anymore. Now I'm an integral member of the supply chain.
Right.
Yes. I love it.
Yep.
What the hell? Okay.
worked out really well. I honestly can't remember. These poker trips are and everything like
Cameron had a really bad close call with another driver who ran a red light. He had to slam his brakes really hard and it nearly came to a crash regardless. This is just another reason why you should always have a dashcam in your car. In this situation, a semi-truck driver sideswiped a small sedan, and apparently he was at fault for not keeping a safe distance.
Then we can't help but expand our horizons. I wish I thought that the world's biggest problem was...
Dog fell out of the back of a truck and started chasing the wrong one before the camera called the owner and met them at the local gas station. And with this cool clip, we conclude today's episode on Car on DashCam channel. I hope that it was entertaining and fun to watch, but more importantly, I hope you guys learned something out of the mistakes of these drivers. After all, why not learn on the mistakes of others if you already have the opportunity to? If you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button because it helps this channel grow. Thank you for all your support so far, and until the next episode, drive safe and eyes wide open.